Hi guys, this is Joe here, and today I'm going to be unboxing. So these are little Disney characters from movies like Toy Story, Inside Out, Incredibles, all those Disney movies from Countdown, and there's 50 of them to collect. Let's get started with the first one. Here we go. What's what I get for the first one? Whistle from Up. So let's get to the second one. We got Mr. Incredible from The Incredibles. On to my third one. Here we go. We got Jessie from Toy Story. On to another one. We got Blackbeard triplets from the movie Brave. Got Princess Anta from the movie Bugs Life. We got Lightning McQueen from the movies Cars. Now let's open another one. Yeah. We got Frosty from the movies Cars. Another Lightning McQueen from the movies Cars. We got Mac from the movie Cars. So another one. Nope. Sorry. We got Trixie from the movie Toy Story.
Who's that?
Discuss from the movie Inside Out. We got Violet from the movie Incredibles. We got Remy from the movie Ratatouille. Ah! We got Princess Dot from the movie Bugs Life. Woo! Woo! Matt from the Cars movie. Trixie again from movie Toy Story 3. We got Queenie from the Ratatouille movie. We got another Violet from the movies Incredibles. We got Nemo from the movie Finding Nemo. We got Meta, I think, from the movie Cars. Get out. We got Sally from Monsters Inc. movie. Got Randall from Monsters Inc. movie. I think Universe. I think number 2 anyway. 4 more left. Yeah, 4. We got Merida Dove from the movie Brave, I think how to say her name. We got Buzz Lightyear from the movie Toy Story. Got another Remy from the movie Ratatouille. Final one, please give me another one from Inside Out. Another Violet from the movie Incredibles.